Hey y'all, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another review and demo, and today I will be showcasing the Amika Superfruit Star. As you guys know, in the beginning of this year I showed some products that were new and hot and fresh on the market, and I want to give them a try. And this is actually a lightweight hair styling oil. It says on the box, unleash your star power with the lightweight multitasking oil that primes, protects, and perfects. This superfruit formula creates a protective barrier around the cuticle, is chemically proven to shield hair from heat damage, reduce breakage, and what's even juicier, use it as a styling oil on dry hair to smooth frizz while softening and adding glossy shine. As you can use it prior to heat styling, you can apply 1 to 2 pumps to damp or dry hair, or you can use it to smooth and add shine to your finished style. If you apply 1 to 2 pumps throughout the dry hair, focusing on the ends, avoid contact with eyes, of course. But this is this product right here. It comes in this super cute heavy glass bottle, which I love. The packaging is reminiscent of the Wizard because I think all of that is like in the same line. It also has similar packaging to like their Soul Food deep conditioner, but this right here is 1.7 fluid ounces, 50 milliliters, and the smell is exactly like the Wizard also. It smells really good. A lot of my clients are always complimenting the smell, and I like that it lingers in the hair. In today's video, you're going to see me using this oil in 2 ways. After I blow dried my hair, she put 2 pumps in her hand, ran it through my hair, and then like Bantu knotted it up to prevent swelling and keep shining. And then I also used it in the second way also as a finisher, ran it through my hair to see the shine and stuff like that. So the fun thing about this video is that it is a battle of the serum slash oils. Okay, I'm going to be comparing this Amika oil to the Matrix Food for Soft Multi-Use Hair Oil Serum and the world's favorite Paul Mitchell Super Skinny. This product literally reigned true. I'm so glad this is the first one I purchased, and it did not let me down because I loved it. It did such a good job of closing the cuticle, keeping my hair smooth and frizz free, and it added a nice lightweight shine. I like that this product is buildable. It moves really quickly because it is so thin. Not only does it produce great shine, but it also is a heat protectant, and it helps to smooth the cuticle. And by that I mean it got the hair very nice and straight and smooth. Comparing it to the other 2 serums, this one definitely ranks in number 2 because it did a pretty good job on this side of my hair. It kept it smooth, but it wasn't as silky and lightweight as this Amika, which was very surprising to me because I love this oil. Matrix is a little bit more heavier. It is more thicker because they're calling it a serum. It did a good job of smoothing, but it does weigh down the hair a little bit more than Amika does. But even when it comes to packaging innovation, Amika is still winning because I absolutely hate the dropper tool in this. And once you get to the end, it's hard to pick up a lot of product. Comparing it to this Paul Mitchell Super Skinny, it blows it out of the water. Like, I do not like this product. I'm literally trying to use it up and get rid of it because when my mother used it on this back section right here, not only was it not as straight as everything else, it was not flowing, it was not moving, and I was afraid that it was going to puff up eventually. So this is definitely on the bottom of the totem pole compared to everything else. I know there are so many hairstylists who do silk press and they still use this, but I don't even understand how. I can't deal with it. It did not get the hair as straight as the Amika or the Matrix. If you're wondering about these curls, this is actually like a little roller set. I actually have a video on how I roll my hair like the lazy way. I did it in December. I'll have that linked in the cards above. I use my Amika the Wizard and my Color Wow as leave-in conditioners, and then everything else was all this product. Mostly all of Amika's styling products have some type of heat protection properties in it, which I absolutely love. You guys know I love to heat protect at every step. I do love this. Amika did their thing with this one. It's now my new favorite oil or serum. If you like to straighten your hair at home, or if you like to do at-home roller sets, even if you're relaxed, I would say go ahead and give this a try. It gives you that same coating the shaft and shine of an oil sheen also, which I really like. If you're someone who does even your curly hair and you do your twist outs, and I know that I'll be needing a little extra layer of shine, I think this will also be good for you if you like to have that glossy look on your wash and goes or your twist outs, Bantu knots, things like that. Maybe I want to try this again doing a curly style. Them saying that this is going to reduce breakage, I love. Of course I can't attest to it right now, but over time, no matter what, if you are sealing in that moisture in your ends you know, you're getting your trims, I could definitely see that it possibly could reduce that breakage. So go ahead and watch my mom use this product on my hair, see the demo, see how it works. You can definitely see the difference in shine and movement. Like, I was so shook, and you can see it in the video because that hair was just flowing. Like, it was flowing, it was cute. As you can see, this is how my hair is looking right now. It all came together pretty good, but this is the Paul Mitchell section right here. On that first day, you could see a stark difference. Like, it was crazy. So this is just the beginning. I do have some more hair products to try out for you guys. I even plan to get that matrix. You know, I was very scared of that glycolic acid. It is on sale at Salon Centric, so a review on that is coming. Go ahead and watch this video all the way through, and I will be seeing you guys in my next upload. products could do on the same base.